Hello everyone, I'm Mark Woodruff with Ohio Power Tool. Today we're going to talk about something that's been around you in many trades that we don't think about, but it's very important that you use every day. And before we go forward, please like and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about one of the many other things we carry here at Ohio Power Tool in addition to tools, and that's industrial wiping cloths. Recycled wiping cloths come from three main sources: either reclaimed clothing like we've worn our whole lives, hospital linens that are taken out of circulation, or mill ends, something new that comes from a textile mill that was never turned into a piece of clothing. The biggest seller by far is reclaimed colored polo knit, which is really nothing more than cut up colored t-shirts. People use them for any imaginable task or job. They're lightweight, they're absorbent, you get a lot of pieces per pound, and by far they're economical and head above shoulders the biggest seller out there. Whether it's plumbing or electrical or roofing, there's a reclaimed colored t-shirt material. It's economical and versatile. Next, if you want something more economical, a little bulkier, but you get less pieces per pound, but it's colored sweatshirt. If you're a roofing contractor and you're dealing with or painting exteriors of buildings and you don't want color to transfer onto your work, whether you're using MEK or acetone or other harsh solvents, you want something like a white sweatshirt. If you really just care about cost, reclaimed colored sweatshirt. It's about the least expensive wiping cloth you can get your hands on. If you need something very absorbent that has a lot of cotton in it, because hospital linens by mandate have a lot of cotton or are all cotton, something like reclaimed colored, although this is all white, hospitals are churning out a lot of white material, is reclaimed colored hospital blankets. Very absorbent, really consistent size pieces, great for plumbers, mechanical contractors, cleaning out condenser trays, wiping down coils, but extremely absorbent, nearly all cotton, and very consistent sizes. Something a little better, a little higher grade is reclaimed white flannel. Again, great for, it's low in lint, extremely absorbent, all cotton. There really isn't anything you can't do with it, but a little costlier, a little more, you get something better, you pay for it. And if you really have your powder coating facility, painting, finish body and finish work, powder coating, any type of high critical task, you want something like a new mill end. These are consistent pieces that come from a textile mill. They've never been turned into a t-shirt before, so they're very consistent in size, lightweight, so you get a lot of pieces per pound, low in lint. But the common thread with all these products is the fact that you're doing something that's recycling. These are products that were made for something else to begin with, and now they're serving one more purpose before the landfill. So now you can see not only are there environmental benefits to using reclaimed and recycled shop rags, but they actually may work better than the general purpose manufactured rags you're using now, and they're cheaper. Take a look at our full blog post for all the benefits and easy to reference breakdown of which ones work for different purposes. If you still have questions, leave us a comment below or give us a call. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.